Mother Earth, home to over 8.7 million living species, some so small they're not visible to the naked eye, others so large they can be spotted from miles away. 70% of our planet is covered in water, making the marine ecosystem a major factor for the survival of our world. But what happens when we start polluting our oceans?
Each year, the levels of toxic chemicals present in the oceans increase. Organic and inorganic pollutants are released into water bodies by large scale factories. The pesticides used in the fields by farmers also eventually wash into rivers, and a high percentage of our waste is thrown directly into ponds.
The chemicals released due to such activities are consumed by small plants called phytoplanktons, which themselves are food for the zooplanktons. As we go higher on the food chain, the level of toxicity in organisms increase. This phenomenon is known as biomagnification.
Cyanide, which is used for leaching gold and fishing, causes destruction of coral reefs, which further disrupts the dwelling and feeding grounds of multiple marine sea creatures. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, commonly known as DDT, was introduced in India in the year 1948 as a pesticide and was soon banned in 1989. In the 41 years of use, this toxin has caused more harm than good. It is known to cause seizures and vomiting in humans and thinning of eggshells in reptiles. Despite its ban, DDT is very persistent pollutant which is still found in trace amounts doing harm to the environment.
Biomagnification makes humans more prone to cancer and kidney failure, including several birth defects. Moreover, it also affects the reproduction and development of marine creatures. In order to save our delicately balanced biomes, preservation of all life forms is necessary. Reduction of biomagnification can be done through the following steps. The elimination of use of some heavy metals. Toxic substances such as lead, arsenic, and mercury can be eliminated by banning their use in petroleum products and coal production.
Cleaning of contaminated locales, we should identify areas which have been contaminated and need to be cleaned thoroughly. Incinerating the solid waste in closed areas is important for decreasing the biomass. Carrying out programs which are aimed at treating and rehabilitating the soil. Along with this, treatment of chemical waste produced by large scale factories is also important.
We at a personal level can also reduce biomagnification by cleaning the vegetables and fruits we consume, disposing of our waste properly, and choosing organic options whenever possible. We must also consume seafood very carefully.
We must avoid the use of PVC plumbing materials as they contain lead and can contaminate drinking water.
We can also use biodegradable substituents for single use plastic. We as a community should also start spreading awareness about the harmful effects of biomagnification so that we can make informed decisions which don't cause further harm to the environment.